Hello everyone, welcome to Knowledge Optimizer. I am Rajat and today we are going to learn about decorator pattern. So in previous few videos we have covered creation design pattern. Now we are moving to structure design pattern. So what exactly is decorator pattern? So consider the case when there arises certain condition, like you want to add some dynamic functionalities to the to basically that object on the basis of certain condition. To give you an example, like in e-commerce, whenever on the basis of certain rules, basically you apply discount post all the when the order is confirmed, everything is done, then you basically apply certain taxes and rules to the users. You want to show them like what is the discounted price, and it would be for certain users only. So the base product would be the actual price of that product, and after applying some discount, then you basically provide that, then further you apply some taxes over it, then shipping charges, then something else you want to apply, loyalty points, basically that discount you want to apply. So those are the basically dynamically we are via some rules we apply those functionalities to the particular object. So bookage definition is this: only allow you to dynamically add behavior and functionality to a certain object. So suppose like I think this example is very common, like you have base pizza base. Now you want to apply different toppings over it. So you want to add tomato topping, this is base pizza, this is a base pizza. Now you want to add tomatoes topping over it. Now further you want to add cheese, onion. So kind of these through different stages on certain condition you basically apply those. Now in terms of e-commerce, like I give you an example. So there would be a price of a product. Okay, now what you'll do, basically apply discount over this price plus minus discount. Okay, now over it you further apply taxes. So it would be price, then there would be a discount layer, then there is one more layer to it, that is taxes, price minus discount plus taxes. So further there would be different layer. So this is the main idea behind calculator pattern. So you basically dynamically add certain functionalities to it on the basis of certain conditions. Now moving to the structure part of it, that it's basically simple only. So there would be one base decorator, then there would be some concrete decorator, further more decorator we are going to add. Similarly there would be a base product, base component. Basically it would be just nothing, this component, sub product, nothing else. Any product interface and concrete components. I'll show you through code like what exactly is this. So key components is basically this base object only, which we just discussed, like there would be a product, base product, then there would be concrete product of it. So in our case the base product was nothing, just a simple thin or not even thin, simple pizza is the base product. Now the concrete product is thin crust or thick crust or something like that. Now on the basis of that we are going to add some more decorators on it. Okay, on the concrete product. So it would be what toppings you want to add, and further. So these are some key components. Now jumping to basically coding part of it. So we have applied, so we'll see example in Java and Golang. So first of all, what we have created, like mentioned, there would be a interface product, then there is this concrete product, the implementation of that. Okay, so there are just two properties of this product, and first of all the price and then the description of the product. Okay, so very simple product we have created, just the price and description and two getters for this particular, and we are setting the values through constructor. Okay, now coming to a decorator part. So there would be this is the base decorator. So what we are doing in it, just a constructor, then we are just displaying the price. So bare minimum code we have written for that. Okay, now there would be two implementation, discount decorator and text decorator. Now what the discount decorator would be doing, so first of all it would be taking the object, basically the product. Okay, it would be taking product, whatever you got from the previous layer, it would be taking that product and apply some whatever you want to apply. Like in case of pizza it would be topping, in case of this modification over the price, discount, taxes or whatever. So in our case it is the discount decorator. So what we are doing, applying this discount. So in the get price function we are just subtracting that. Similarly for the description, now the updated description we are showing, like this this is the product name, then with this percent discount. Now if you want to add this further, then the previous description with tax rates, now we are adding to it the that price again. So if you want to see the flow would be like this only. There would be a concrete product we have created through this. Now there would two decorators we applied. So we have passed this product which we the base product which we have created at the earlier, then we have passed it to a one decorator, then the other decorator, the resultant product of this would be passed to a other decorator. There could be further or more decorators like shipping, which I mentioned, shipping cost decorator or loyalty point decorator. So they could be many. So if I just run this file, it will give me smartphone with 10% discount with 8% tax. So if I just remove it, okay, so just with discount it is showing the price. So um, we'll see the same example uh, in Golang. Okay, so again we have a product base, basically the product interface. Now we have a concrete product. Okay, some price and description for that particular product, uh, and now we have a base product decorator, this one. Okay, it's doing not, just a base product decorator, it is doing nothing. Now we have two basically two decorators. One is discount decorator, same as Java, and one is text decorator. In discount decorator, we are subtracting from this and updating the description. In the text decorator, we are adding to it and basically updating the description. So moving on to main function, it is doing nothing. Whatever, first of all, initializing the product. Now whatever the base product we are creating, whatever product we are getting from base, we will pass to next decorator. Whatever the resultant we are getting from this output of this decorator, we are passing to other decorator. Finally just printing it. So if I just run this, it will give me this. So I think that would be all from this video. So I hope you got some idea on the decorators. uh, Again, please let me know if you want the code, all the codes. So I'll just share the git repo with all of you. Thank you all.